Hello, this is Nes from Nes Tutorial. Today I will show you how to block or unsubscribe someone on Gmail. If you are receiving a lot of emails from a sender that you don't want to receive, you can easily block that sender on Gmail. Or if you have subscribed to a site that sends lots of promotional emails or newsletters, you can unsubscribe them too to stop getting these emails. But how will you do it? That's exactly what I will show you today. But before I start, I want you to subscribe to my channel if you want to get important tips and tricks about Gmail. To block someone on Gmail, at first open your browser and visit gmail.com. Then sign in to your Gmail account. After signing in, find the email or the sender that you want to block and click the three dots to the far right of the sender's name. Now from the menu that drops down, click Block the Sender. And then a small pop-up window will appear. Click Block again to confirm. From now on, you will stop receiving emails from that person. Now I will show you how to unsubscribe from mass emails. If you are receiving lots of promotional emails and you are tired of it, now you think there's the time to unsubscribe, open the email from the sender that you want to unsubscribe from. Just next to the sender's name, click Unsubscribe. From the pop-up window, click Unsubscribe again to finally confirm the unsubscription. But if you don't see the unsubscribe option, you can block the sender as I showed you a moment ago or mark the email as a spam. So this is how you block or unsubscribe someone on Gmail and can get rid of unwanted irritating emails easily. If you think the video is helpful, please like my video, feel free to leave a feedback below, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in the next video.